Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the Jio Set Top Box supports casting or HDMI input because that determines the method. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on your phone and connect the box and phone to the same network. 2, 4 or 5 GHz both work. Next, install the My Jio or Jio TV app and grant screen capture and local network permissions. These allow the box to discover your phone. Now you have the essentials in place and are ready to initiate the connection. Now proceed to the core steps. Open the Jio app and go to Cast or Screen Share. The box should appear by name. Tap it to begin discovery. If you prefer wired, connect your phone with an MHL or USB-C to HDMI adapter into the box or TV HDMI input and switch the input. When the set-top box prompts you, choose Allow and then select Phone Screen or Mirror. This authorizes the stream. Make sure background apps are closed to keep latency and frame drops low. Finish by checking the picture and sound. Set the TV or box audio to the phone source if you see video without sound, and adjust phone display resolution if the image is cropped or lagging. Once you confirm everything looks right, close the casting session from the phone to end gracefully. If things go wrong, a single effective troubleshooting tip is to restart the phone, the set-top box, and the router. Then reconnect both devices to the same network. This clears discovery and handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.